Good day to all supermomshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos updates. Today, supermomshies, we're going to create a flowing flowers in a silver bowl. If you are ready, we're going to start now. Supermomshies, this is my materials that I'm going to use, and also the use pump from Big Shampoos, of course the glue gun, scissor, and I have to use also this Styro Foam and the steel brush coming from the kitchen, which I'm not actually using this for my kitchenwares. So this also the flowers that we're going to rearrange it. So let's start. Alright, supermomshies, this is the cover. I want to cut this one first. So it will be look like this. We're going to flatten and cover it like this. So of course we're going to use the glue gun. Alright, we're going to put this marble. If you have a stone, you can put also stone just to give strength on the base. Alright, supermomshies, this is the final touch. So if you want to create your flowing flower garden in your home, you can use any materials, whatever availables that you have. So before we will end up this video, I would like to shout out to everybody, to all the subscribers and non-subscribers and the silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Until next time, Pabushi!